Have you ever wondered how stress is affecting your life and well-being? In this fast-paced, constantly evolving world, stress has become an integral part of our lives. It's like an uninvited guest that overstays its welcome, seeping into our minds and bodies and influencing our thoughts, emotions, and overall health. But what if we told you there's a way to transform this unwelcome guest into a catalyst for personal growth and tranquility? This is where mindfulness comes in. Mindfulness is a simple yet profound concept. It's about being fully present in the moment, not lost in the past or anxious about the future, but truly engaged with the now. It's about observing your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment, without trying to suppress or change them. By simply observing, we create a space between ourselves and our reactions, a space where calmness and clarity can grow. In the realm of mindfulness, there's no right or wrong, good or bad. It's about acceptance, about embracing the present in all its complexity. It's about acknowledging that your mind might wander, and that's okay. The goal is not to empty your mind of thoughts, but to become an impartial observer of them. Mindfulness is not about escaping stress, but rather learning to navigate through it. It's about recognizing stressors, understanding their impact, and cultivating resilience to face them head-on. It's about harnessing the power of your mind to transform stress into an opportunity for learning and growth. You might wonder, how do I become mindful? The good news is that mindfulness is not a distant goal to be achieved, but an innate ability within us. It's like a muscle that needs to be exercised regularly. And just like physical exercise, it requires patience, commitment, and practice. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but where do I start? Well, the journey of mindfulness begins with a single step, and today we're here to guide you through that first step. Mindfulness can be a profound gateway to stress relief, leading to a more tranquil state of being. So, are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Let's dive into the world of mindfulness together. The breath serves as a constant companion throughout our lives. It's the first thing we do when we are born, and it's the last thing we do before we depart. This subtle yet profound act of breathing is a powerful ally in our quest for inner peace and stress relief. Let's engage in a practice that accentuates this ally, a technique called breath awareness. This exercise is simple yet immensely effective. It's all about anchoring your attention to the rhythmic flow of your breath, cultivating a sense of calmness and presence. Imagine your breath as a gentle wave, lapping against the shore of your consciousness. As you inhale, visualize this wave rising, swelling with life-giving oxygen. As you exhale, see it recede, carrying away stress and tension with each outward breath. Now close your eyes and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs to their full capacity. Feel the cool rush of air entering your nostrils, traveling down your windpipe and filling your lungs. Hold this breath for a moment, then slowly release it, feeling the warm air leaving your body, taking with it any stress or tension you may be holding on to. Repeat this process, allowing your attention to rest on each inhalation and each exhalation. The rise and fall of your chest, the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body, the rhythm of life that is your breath. Don't worry if your mind starts to wander. That's completely normal. Whenever you notice this happening, simply guide your attention back to your breath without judgment or frustration. The beauty of this practice lies not in achieving a state of perfect focus, but in the act of returning again and again to the present moment. Breath awareness is not about changing or controlling your breath, but rather about noticing it, being with it, experiencing it fully. It's about cultivating a sense of presence, of being fully here in this moment, connected to your life through the simple act of breathing. Remember, your breath is a reliable source of calmness, always there to help you navigate the waves of stress. So whenever you feel overwhelmed, remember this technique. Allow your breath to anchor you in the present moment, to bring you back to a state of calm and peace. Imagine standing on a serene beach, the waves gently caressing the shore. As you breathe in, picture the vivid colors of the setting sun, the azure sky fading into hues of crimson and gold. This is the power of visualization, a technique that invites your mind to embark on a journey, allowing stress to ebb away like the receding tide. Now let's breathe in deeply, filling your lungs with the salty sea air. As you exhale, visualize the stress leaving your body, carried away by the gentle breeze. With each breath, the landscape becomes more vivid, your relaxation deeper. Visualize the calm waves, the rhythmic ebb and flow mirroring your breathing. The tranquility of the scene permeates your being, creating a sense of peace that quiets the mind and relaxes the body. Remember, each breath is a step on your journey towards stress relief. Visualization can be a powerful tool in your stress relief arsenal, fostering tranquility and relaxation. Now let's shift our attention to the physical body. We'll embark on a body scan meditation, a practice that nudges us towards a deeper sense of relaxation. This technique involves directing your focus to various parts of your body, one at a time, and consciously releasing any tension found there. Let's start at the crown of your head. Imagine a wave of relaxation washing over it, smoothing out any furrows in your brow, loosening your temples and softening your eyes. Allow this wave to trickle down your face, relaxing your jaw, your throat, and the back of your neck. Now let the wave of relaxation flow down into your shoulders. Feel the stress melting away as it moves down your arms, releasing any tightness in your elbows, wrists, and all the way down to your fingertips. Imagine this wave of calmness descending further, engulfing your chest, your abdomen, and your back. Feel the wave gently soothing your heart, easing your lungs and loosening the knots in your stomach. Let it wash over your back, releasing any tension held in your upper, middle, and lower back. Now direct this wave of relaxation to your hips. Feel it flow down your thighs, your knees, your calves, and finally your feet. Let every muscle in your legs relax as the wave of calmness passes all the way down to the tips of your toes. As you journey through this body scan, you might encounter areas of tension or discomfort. Instead of turning away from these sensations, acknowledge them. Breathe into them, and then with each exhale, imagine the tension dissolving, replaced by a soothing calmness. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. It's all about cultivating awareness, about tuning into your body and its sensations. It's about fostering a deeper connection with your physical self and inviting a profound state of relaxation. Body scan meditation can help you tune into your body, releasing tension and promoting a profound sense of calmness. Allow yourself to bask in this calmness, carrying this sense of tranquility with you as we move on to the next phase of our mindfulness journey. Stressful thoughts can often feel like uninvited guests in our minds. Indeed, they can be persistent and disruptive, but mindfulness offers a powerful strategy to acknowledge and release these intruders. Think of your mind as a serene sky and thoughts as clouds. Some clouds may be dark and stormy, representing stressful thoughts, whereas others may be light and fluffy, symbolizing joyful ones. In the practice of mindfulness, we learn not to judge these clouds or try to chase them away. Instead, we observe them with curiosity and kindness. We acknowledge their presence and allow them to drift across the sky of our mind, knowing they are temporary and will eventually pass. This process of acknowledging and releasing is a gentle yet potent way to foster a mindset that promotes inner peace and resilience. It reminds us that we are not our thoughts, and we can choose not to engage with those that cause stress. Releasing stressful thoughts is an essential step towards cultivating mindfulness and stress relief. Now it's time to bring all these techniques together in a guided meditation session. As we begin, find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and turn your attention inward. Let's start by focusing on our breath. Feel the air as it enters your nostrils, fills your lungs, and then leaves your body. Anchor your attention to this rhythmic flow. This is your safe harbor. You're constant in the storm of thoughts and emotions. Now let's transition into visualization. Imagine a serene landscape, perhaps a tranquil beach or a lush forest. Envision this place as your personal sanctuary. With each breath, imagine the stress leaving your body like a dark cloud, dissipating in the clear sky of your tranquil space. As you breathe out, release any tension or discomfort. As you breathe in, fill your body with calm and peace. Feel this tranquility radiating from the center of your being, reaching every corner of your body. Now let's shift our focus to a body scan. Start from the crown of your head, moving slowly all the way down to your toes. As you move your attention through each part of your body, acknowledge any tension and consciously release it. Feel the wave of relaxation wash over you, leaving you in a profound state of calmness. Finally, let's be mindful of our thoughts. Acknowledge them, but do not judge. Remember, you are not your thoughts, they are merely visitors passing through. If you find a stressful thought, gently release it, allowing it to float away like a leaf on a river. As we conclude this session, take a moment to appreciate the calmness within you. The tranquility you feel now is always accessible to you, within your breath, within your body, within your mind. Remember, mindfulness isn't about perfecting a technique. It's about fostering an awareness, a non-judgmental understanding of yourself and your experiences. It's about being present in the moment and finding peace within that presence. Embrace mindfulness as a powerful tool for stress management and embark on a transformative journey towards a calmer, more resilient you. Now that you've experienced the power of mindfulness and meditation, we hope you feel more calm, centered, and prepared to tackle any challenge that comes your way. Remember, the tranquility you've discovered today is always accessible to you, within your breath, within your body, within your mind. So we encourage you to practice these techniques regularly and embrace mindfulness as a part of your daily routine. And if you found this video helpful and would like to see more content like this, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to create engaging and beneficial content for you. And if you have any questions, or if there's a particular topic you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments section below. Remember, your journey towards a calmer, more resilient you begins with a single breath. So keep breathing, keep practicing, and keep exploring the power of mindfulness. Thank you for being a part of our community. We appreciate you and look forward to continuing this journey together.